Rahul Verma, CEO है इस advertising agency का. Maya is this very ambitious girl who comes into his life. Conflict between these two people. और यही सवाल पूछता है क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि मैं किसी को कभी sexually harass करूँगा?
She's an intern, so actually the film spans over 7 years, where you see her journey, you know, as a professional, as she gets better and better at her work, and then at the end of it, she comes at par with her mentor, which is Rahul Verma in the film.
Still not at par.
Not quite at par,
yeah,
but just about there.
Par,
but that's exactly
really.
when sexual harassment comes in, you know, the glass ceiling and whatnot.
Okay.
Right? So.
You know what is sexual harassment? I mean, it is very difficult to say what is sexual harassment. I mean, I should feel sexually harassed as Arjun Rampal when people call me hot in the newspaper every day, and if I don't like it. Okay, so can I go and sue that person? Or should I just take it in my stride and say, okay, it's a way of somebody giving a compliment. If I call Chitrangada, who is hot, and is that sexual harassment? A woman dresses in a particular way, she comes there, okay? A man, naturally, from the time he's grown up, that is how he naturally reacts, okay? He looks and he says, oh, she's got a great body, okay? Or she's looking really good. He's admiring her. She's dressed up to be admired, right? So he's admiring her, okay? Maybe he goes and he flirts with her after that. The girl doesn't like that flirting. She can give him a strong sign. Women know how to do that. You can say, okay, this is not thing. The guy backs off. Or does a woman say, oh, now this guy is getting a bit too much with me. Maybe the guy tries it the second time and he's, boom, slammed with a sexual harassment case.
I understand where you're coming from. I agree that, you know, there cannot be a very irresponsible, whatever kind of, you know, dressing up when you're in a workplace. I totally agree with you on that. But if it reaches a point where a man sitting in front of you, if you open up 2 buttons, thinks that you are a easy person or thinks that you will probably take whatever that's going to come after that, I think that's absolutely wrong. And I think the way you're talking right now, I think you come very close to a certain statement that was made today by someone who said that the women shouldn't wear makeup and shouldn't dress up pretty because they are then calling for unwanted attention. I mean, are we saying that we are very close to putting ourselves, you know, dressed from top to bottom?
I don't. This is a general
question. Anyway, we're not talking about that right now.
What ma'am is saying is, you know, what her point is,
take it as a compliment.
If a woman,
that's what I feel.
If a woman on a beach wears a bikini, what are you looking at?
Obviously.
What are you looking at?
That doesn't
mean that you will start harassing her. It doesn't mean that you will start molesting her.
What is harassment? Unless and until he turns physical.
जब आप जो भी करें जिंदगी में आपको आदत पड़नी पड़ेगी कि जब औरत इनकार करती है तो वो आप फाइनल है. और आज बहुत सारे मर्दों को इस बात की आदत नहीं है, वो आदत पड़नी पड़ेगी. इस थिन लाइन पे कहीं फिल्म है कि हैरेसमेंट क्या है, लेकिन फिल्म उसके भी आगे बहुत कुछ और है. ज़्यादा डायरेक्टर्स को अपनी फिल्म के बारे में बात करना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर वो फिल्म बनाना ही बेवकूफ़ी हो जाती है. पर वो इनकार वही है. इनकार ये है कि सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट कब हैरेसमेंट बन जाता है, जब औरत ने इनकार किया और आप उसके आगे बढ़े.